guys, so in this video, as you can see by the title, this is going to be the gender reveal of my older sister Tara. So right now we have my middle sister Carrie, and this video is kind of going to be like a little vlog of us going around shopping for the baby stuff. And today we had the pleasure of Tara went and she had her ultrasound, and she got the nurse to give her the gender right here. So me and Carrie get to find out the gender first before
so excited!
Before anyone else, and then we're gonna have a party next week, and then also I'll do a little vlogging there as well, and then we get to share the news with Tara and her husband, so nobody knows right now besides me and Carrie. So we're really excited.
Okay, we both think it's a baby girl. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so sweaty. Okay.
Me too.
But we just are getting like nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, on the count of three, so we're
just
gonna take
wait.
it out.
Just wait. I think it's gonna be. It's folded. It's folded.
Piece of paper, and we're both just gonna slowly open it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting nervous.
What do you think it is?
I think, wow, you're so clammy.
Okay, hands are sweaty.
I think it's a girl. What do you think?
I think it's a girl too, but either way, I don't know.
We will see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Summer and I are on our way to get some supplies for the baby.
Three on three, okay?
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we are having Tara's having a girl! Yay! It's a girl! Oh my god! The girl gets makeup! I knew it!
So from now on, like dental floss, plastic bags, like this is serious. We can't have her eating them. Like can't be trusted. No.